So I was backing out to go get something at the store, and there was a little baby bunny. I got out, I was afraid I ran him over or something was going to be bad wrong with him. Checked on him and he's fine, but he's a little guy. Definitely seems scared. Not really sure what to feed him other than carrots. Got him a pile of grass here and some water. How are you today? Just so you know, God hasn't forgotten about you.
He's not scared. That's a wild one.
The next day.
I'll get him to go to the grass.
Well, if you want to let him go, you can pick him up. Just pick him up real nice and easy. Real easy. Put your hands underneath him. Use both hands when you pull him up.
He's scared.
You want me to get him?
Yeah. And I'll pick him up.
Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy.
Come on, buddy. You can do it.
Whoa. He's scared.
Can you try again? Can you try again? Yeah.
Come here,
Put him
buddy.
in there. Put him in there. Put him in there. Now we can carry him.
Come on.
Go in the back of the yard.
We'll put him in the backyard so that way he can crawl underneath the deck. And
Crawl.
he can live there if he wants to. It's fine with me. You want to let him go in there?
Yeah. Where?
There's a little hole right there. He can go underneath the deck.
No. Oh.
Where do you want to let him go? In the grass?
Yeah. In the grass. Go in the grass. Go in the grass. Grass. Go grass.
Say bye to him.
Bye. I want to. Whoa, where'd he go? Oh, he's scared.
Yeah, just leave him alone.
Whoa.
We'll see him again.
Oh,
Come on, let's go inside.
I want to. Please.
No, just pet him. Just touch him and say I love you, buddy.
Oh no, he ran away.
We'll see him again.
Where's
He lives right around here.
Where's he now?
He's still right there, Finn.
Oh, he's right there. Daddy,
What?
what can we do? Oh, we gotta go over here.
No. That's not your yard. Come on, let's go.
Oh, he's over there.
Then we gotta get ready to go to school. Come on.
Oh, little bunny.
Finn, he's gonna stay here with us. He's gonna live in our yard.
Oh, he's scared, boy.
No, he'll be happy now that he's free. He's just scared being in a box.
The next day again.
Here's the nest. Looks like there's 3, 4, 5 of them right there.
Can't touch
How
him.
funny is that? Hey, come on.
I want him. All the way in
Hold my hand so you don't fall.
go
Say hi to the camera.
Let's
Say hi to the camera.
well, let's go over and
Finn, we're making a motion picture here. You gotta say hello to the viewing audience.
Hi.
Tell them what we're gonna do. Tell them what we're looking at here.
We're looking at birds.
Baby birds.
Can I see?
Yep.
Can-
They're in there. Where are they at? You see them?
Yeah. They got their mouths open.
Hey, birdie, 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 birdies. Hey, birdie, 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 birdies. Can you see him? Don't touch the nest or mommy won't come back. Can you see him?
Yeah.
What do they look like? Don't touch the nest! Oh! Oh boy. Look how ugly he is. Whoa, man, those are some ugly babies.
That's an ugly baby.
Golly, that's an ugly baby.
Let's get out here.
Let's get away from those ugly babies.